So let us start with metric system. Here we have a system, the set of standard unit of measurement. There are many units for measuring the different items, but standard units of measurement, here it is given, we use is known as the metric system. Our standard unit of measurement is called metric system. The length, the standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of mass, that is weight, is gram, and for the capacity it is liter. Okay, so you have to always remember these three basic standard unit of length, mass and capacity. So these standard units are too small for measuring certain quantities, so we cannot measure everything with the help of only centimeter, meter or gram or liter. So here we have some are higher than the standard units and some are lower than the standard units. We name them by adding the prefixes to them. So for the higher units for length, it is kilometer, then hectometer, then decameter. The same for mass, kilogram, hectogram, decagram. And for the capacity, kiloliter, hectoliter and decaliter. And our standard units, which I just told you, for length it is meter, for mass, for weight it is gram, and for capacity, means to measure the liquid things, is liter. And when you go below the standard or lower the standard units, it is decimeter, centimeter and millimeter for the length. And for the mass, decigram, centigram and milligram. And for the capacity, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So meaning of these prefixes is kilo means 1000, hecto is 100, deca is 10. Deca means 10. Okay. So you have to keep in mind the meaning of these things. 1 kilogram, 1 kilometer, 1 kiloliter, liter, and hecto and deca. So now first we'll go through the measures of length. So when we measure the length, here some pictures are given and very nicely explained. When you will go through this page, you'll come to know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, and 1 meter equals 1000 millimeter, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. In last session, when we were in the classroom, children, we did a lot of activities about the measurement with the help of thread, with the help of your class compass box ruler, with the big rulers, metal scales you have in the class, and many more things we did. And smart board also we have shown you many activities. But here these four formulas you have to learn, otherwise you won't be able to convert the units. So now here is a class work just to judge you, just to give you the estimation. Circle the best estimate one has been done for you. This is the estimation. Okay. So you have to do this: length of bug, length of guitar, length of river. So rivers will be in kilometers, guitar will be in meter, and a bug is in the length of millimeter, maybe in centimeter. So I'm just skipping it because it is estimation chapter. You can estimate in and answers are already given. So now the conversion of unit of length is very important for you. To convert higher units of length to lower units, we multiply. Always remember this pink line, rule line. To convert higher units to lower, you multiply. Whenever you have to convert from meter to centimeter, meter is bigger, centimeter is smaller. So bigger to smaller, when you go, you have to multiply it. It is given here 7 meter equals 7 with 2 0. You put 2 zeros for making meter to centimeter, and you put 3 zeros from making kilometer to meter. And for convert into meters, kilometers to meter, here right side formula are given. So you have to keep it in mind always. 1 kilometer equals 1000, 1 meter equals 100. And convert millimeter. So centimeter is bigger than millimeter, so you multiply by 10. So these are 3 examples given and 3 rules are there. And afterward you have smaller to higher. When you convert from smaller to higher, you have to divide. Always remember these 2 golden rules. From meter, convert into meter and centimeter. So it is already in meter and we are going to convert it into centimeter. From bigger to smaller, we divide by 1000. When you convert kilometer to meter, you divide by 1000. And when you have a mixed number sometimes like this, kilometer and meter both. So kilometer you will convert it into meter. A meter is already in meter, so you will add it like this. Convert it into centimeter and millimeter. Same things. You have to convert centimeter only into millimeter. Millimeter is already in millimeter, and you will add it. So this is the way you have to convert. There are some formula and some rules. So now here is a chapter 10a, convert into centimeter, and the digit is given into meter and centimeter. So centimeter, 12 centimeter is already in centimeter. You have to convert it 53 into centimeter. 53 is in meter. Meter is bigger, centimeter is smaller. So from bigger to smaller you have to multiply. And from convert it into meter. This is the examples are given. You have to solve it one by one in the class. Children, the teacher will or discuss or explain the difficult ones once again. And afterward, you have some fill-ups. The same things are given in different ways. Some have to color it, you have to fill it up, or whether you are asked to say MCQs. But the basic things are only 2 rules. So now addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of metric system is given, and this is same. There is no change in that. When you add it, you are adding it. Here are some rules. Addition of metric unit is done in the same way as we do for whole numbers. There are 2 ways. You can convert to smaller units and then add them, or you can add them the units by writing them in columns. Okay, so here see 32 meter 76 centimeter. So this becomes 3276 centimeter, and added 37 meter 84 centimeter. 3784 centimeter it is added. This is the one method. Find the sum of 21 kilometer 395 meter. So 21 kilometer and 395 meter. So when you add it, it's a simple addition. 7 5 12 2, 9 1 0 10, and 9 3 12 1 13 ka 3, and 1 comes this side. It's a simple addition, nothing you have to do it. You simply have to keep one space in between these 2 units, and you can do it very easily. And last most important thing is, last year you have done this. This is the repetition of the things. So, and you have to subtract also the same way, but in subtraction you have to keep one thing in your mind. When you subtract kilometer meter, we see that 496 cannot be subtracted from 123. So we have a option to borrow. So we borrow 1 kilometer. When you borrow 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer plus 123, it becomes 1000 meter plus 123. You have to keep it in mind, because when a meter is taking 1 kilometer, it becomes 1000 meter. So when it becomes 1000 meter, it becomes 1123, and you have to subtract from 1123, not from 123. So that you have to keep it in mind. And when you subtract to from 1123 meter, the digit 496, you get 627. So this is the in the subtraction you have to be a little careful, because when you borrow, you don't borrow 1 meter, you borrow 1 kilometer. And in meter centimeter, when you borrow 100 centimeter, you don't borrow 1 meter. Okay, so this is the only thing you have to keep it in your mind. And when you multiply it, it's a simple multiplication, nothing doing. In multiplication, nothing is to be done, and in addition also there is no difference. But in subtraction, when you borrow, keep it in mind. And afterward we have division also, same division, nothing to do. It's the same you have to do. 10b, there is a division, add, subtract, multiply and divide. There is no as such rule. But measures of weight is given. Weight is kilogram, gram. 1 kg equals 1000 gram. 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilogram. So same, you have an estimation of weight is also given. When you weigh a pin, it becomes 1 gram. When you weigh butter, it's 100 gram. And when you have some sugar, washing powder, or rice, wheat, these are in kilograms. So this is the estimation, and I know you people can guess the estimation things. I'm not going to tell you. We did a lot last year. And afterward, you have conversion of metric unit of weight. The same way, only in the place of kilometer, you have to write kilogram. In the place of meter, you have to write gram. Kilogram, gram, and there we had kilometer, meter, and centimeter. To convert kilogram into gram, we multiply by 1000. To convert gram into kilogram, we divide by 1000. The same rule is also used over here. When we convert from bigger to smaller, multiply. When we convert smaller to bigger, we divide. And in weight, we have a relation of 1000 only. There is no confusion. In length, you have to keep it in mind. There are two formula. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. That there are two, but here only one you have. So 10C is going to be very easy, very easy. So express in gram, it is given 2 gram, 2000 gram, 2 kilogram, 2000 gram, 5 kilogram, 5000 gram, 9 kilogram, 9000 gram, 17 kilogram, 17,000 gram. And those who are already in grams, you just have to add it. Nothing doing. So children, in a precise way, I would say that you just go through it and discuss with your teacher in your class. All the best for exam, and this is a very easy chapter for you, as we have done. Thank you very much.